This is the morning call. Taking a look at gold coming out of this level of structure. Actually, I was looking at this last night for a sell-off. It wicked here and pulled back, and now we have price breaking out this morning. And there's structure here. You see this structure here on this candle, this wick. So again, what we like to do is make intangible levels of structure tangible by putting this horizontal line here. And remember now, and not just with gold, but any, movement in price, I don't want to, and there's the opening bell, I don't want to get in this level or until price surpasses this level. But then we have another level of structure here and here. I like to trade gold in space. So this is on the 15-minute. So I want gold to break out of yesterday's low before I decide to take the sell-off, because again, we're talking about that grade of the probability for success. We want that grade to be higher. That grade is your personal grade, what you believe the risk is versus reward, right? For me, I'm very successful when I trade gold because I am very conservative when it comes to that grade level of probability of success. So I like to trade gold in space. Gold, I'm waiting for gold to break yesterday's high here. I'm going to go ahead and put an alert here for myself. And that way I know when I get that alert and gold reaches there, I could come back here and then assess and give an analysis whether or not I'm going to get in the trade or not. Y'all, listen, I've said this multiple times, and if you follow this channel, I'm going to continue to say this. You have to be able to locate and identify structure, right? Of course, you have to locate price for sure. You have to be able to do that. But, it's just like I heard a famous college basketball coach say there's two things you got to do here to play here: hit free throws and make set shot threes, right? One of the things here, in order to be a successful trader, you have to be able to locate price and identify support, resistance, and structure. That is a mandatory thing. You have to do it. All right. Also, taking a look at major pairs right now, USD is really strong. So I want to take a look at USDJPY. And we're going to go to the 4-hour. Not a lot of money here, but the price did break out here. I'm going to put USDJPY on my watch list because I want to see if price is going to break out here, if there's going to be an increase in volume. We have this big heavy duty demand box here. That represents to me that price is going to eventually push through here. And let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and set a buy peak alert here. So with price breaks here, I can do assessment, see whether or not I'm going to get in a trade or not. Okay. So want to take a look at, let's look at GBP USD. All right. Looking for GBP here on the downward movement. In the zone between yesterday's high, yesterday's low. I want to probably set an alert here for a sell. I like to click on here and change the alert sound just so I know that it is unique to me, that sound, and I know that price has hit an alert on, I have to look and see which pair it is. But when it hits that alert, I want to be able to see what it is and then go and assess it, whether or not I can get in the trade or not. Bitcoin is holding steady right now, consolidating at 77, just a little bit north of 77,000. The dollar has made a small surge, trying to flex its muscle right now at 99.189. So that's up a little more than 0.25% in the last hour. All right, y'all. So this is what I'm looking at today, actually this morning, and we will have a New York session later on in the morning. And if you're part of the group, just look at the Telegram chat when I go live. If you want to get a part of this group, DM me, message me, and I'll show you how to do it. And please like and subscribe. It helps the channel out a lot so we can do more interesting and cool things as a part of this education. This platform is for the education and the betterment of price action. If you're able to master price action, you can trade on any chart. Doesn't matter what it is that you're trading. All right. You have a good day.